Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease in which a person's hair falls out from his body, resulting in baldness-like conditions. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved the use of Janus kinase inhibitor as a treatment for severe alopecia areata, a degenerative skin disease. Until now, there have been no FDA-approved treatments or medications for alopecia areata. The root cause of this disease is not fully understood yet, but scientists believe that both environmental and genetic factors are responsible for alopecia areata. This autoimmune disease is not a serious medical problem, but it causes anxiety and sadness in the person. In the United States, 1 in every 500 to 1,000 people are affected with alopecia areata. The starting of this autoimmune disorder can be at any age, but most people get this disorder in their teenage, the 20s or 30s. If it occurs below the age of 10, then it becomes more progressive and extensive in the coming years. Alopecia areata occurs when the person's own immune system mistakenly attacks his or her own hair follicles. This causes hair loss. This particular type of autoimmunity is a lifelong tendency that can be inherited from any parent.